Welcome back to an attorney fishing episode. And today we're out here goose hunting. We got the spread right behind us. But yeah, it's a little different video. Usually I post fishing, but today we're gonna try goose hunting. And yeah, we got a pretty good solid crew, 6 of us. We got Big Red walking up, him and his rig, Chuck, Carson, Adam down there, and Aiden's behind this truck. But yeah, should be a good one. We scouted it last night. I'll roll some clips right here. There's probably about 235 geese here, but yeah, you'll see us shooting the first birds. How many landed?
Quite a few. Quite a few. How many are decoys? I don't know if there's at least two or three. The decoys.
And after that, we're taking them.
Huh?
You want Chuck and I to get left then?
I don't want to shoot in my head.
Well, no. I'll shoot to the right of you.
We're taking these boys. Alright, when we shoot, get right back in your blinds. Okay. Take them.
Is there more?
Yeah, there's more.
So guys, just got done hunting here. We finished with 6 birds. Not an ideal night, but still a fun night. Carson's laughing in the background with his cute laugh, but yeah, we probably saw about 200 birds, but they're just finicky and we couldn't get them to land. So yeah, I mean, stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully more goose content, maybe some trout fishing. We'll see. Take care.